So, Woodpecker. So again, there's lots of lakes, but just sort of focus 3 videos, Pines, Tanners, just for our Silver Festival. So those who are looking for information, then hopefully this video will be useful. So this is Woodpecker. So the video is a little bit rough and ready, a bit like me. So peg 11. So this is like the first peg, or last peg in the section, so it goes to the right, and this has been very good for crassios on the feeder and not a bad skimmer area. Well, all the pegs are reasonable for skimmers. Obviously there's good and better and great pegs, but this won the top weight of the week at 60 pounds, so fair play to John. Got Robin, so peg 12. So a reasonable chuck, what's that got to be? It's got to be about 35-40 yards maybe. So depths on this lake is only about sort of like maybe 6 foot round here. So I did draw peg 12 on day 2. It was a horrific wind. And the day that I'm going home is the day that it's, wow, not windy. It doesn't look like it's going to rain. So as you can see, it's quite a stunning place. This is Pines. I've done a video on Pines. Peg 14. Peg 15. I don't know, chuck's not quite so far here. Obviously starts to narrow in. 25 yards I guess. I could be wrong. Probably am wrong. It's probably 23 yards. 16's throughout. Like caught short down the edge for skimmers. Again, it gets narrower. 17's not in on the Silverfish Festival. A lot of little birds, you might not be able to see them. And then peg 18. And peg 19. Jason Crump done well off this peg, caught some crassios on the feeder and also caught some skims on the pole, same as Ryan on 18. Crumpy just beat him, otherwise Ryan would have had a perfect score of 5 section wins. Peg 20. You can hear the woodpecker. So as you can see, like, the pegs are reasonable distance away, not stupid like a lot of fisheries that I would fish. There'd be another peg there. Just worried I'm going to slip. So peg 1. I'd imagine that would be Carp City. Peg 2. And then peg 3. I believe this was the first peg that was in. I might be wrong. Peg 4. Peg 5. And 6. And then 7. It's not a very far chuck, is it? $20, 22 meters. And then peg 8. And then peg 9. And then 10 is over there, which wasn't in for our silver festival. So hopefully this gives you like a little bit of an insight of the lakes. This video is not rocket science or could give you any massive insight, but at least you see what the pegs are.